Today on AFOL TV, we're building movie theater seats and it starts right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to build awesome LEGO creations, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you never miss anything. Alright guys, so as mentioned in the opening, today we're doing movie theater seats and they are built to minifigure size. They fit perfectly. Other cool features include fully reclining seats and the armrests lift up with the little drink holders. So let's get to it. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We release new content every week. And that's it. Hope you guys like the build. We'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok as @afol.tv. And again, you can download instructions for our other builds and part files on our site, www.afolstore.com. And lastly, if you have any suggestions on what we should build next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next week.